Jay's Original Hoagie at 89th and Sheridan in Tulsa is the real deal. That's coming from an expert.
They're really good. Really good. I mean, authentic.
So this is exactly what you get in Philadelphia.
Exactly. The bread is key, and they got it on point.
Lauren PERNACK knows Hoagies. They were created in her hometown. You see, she's not originally from around here.
No, I'm from Philadelphia, so really picky about my hoagies, and this is the only place I go in Tulsa. I definitely researched my hoagies the second I moved here. Nothing else will cut it.
Jay CUNDY's Hoagies are the real deal because of the recipes.
I always loved hoagies as a kid, worked at a shop down home. I'm from South Florida, and all the guys that own that shop were all from Philly.
Jay married a girl from Oklahoma 30 years ago and has been here ever since. In 2012, he said it was time to bring his hometown hoagies to Tulsa.
Well, first you put your oil in dressing, meat, cheese, veggie, and then you also put another piece of meat on top and tuck it in so it holds it all together while you eat it.
I'm looking for the ratio between the bread and the meats, and then you have to have the right dressing, and Jay, they make it perfect every time.
Freshness is one of the key ingredients here at Jay's. They cut the meat right in front of you, and the bread is made fresh every day.
It's made locally for us at a wholesale bakery, and we pick it up every morning. And you want it fresh, fresh, fresh. That's what everybody loves, is that soft, soft, chewy bread.
The peppers are also unique to Hoagies. Jay's recipe, an old one from his grandmother.
It's like the hot peppers are sliced hot cherry peppers. The sweet peppers are pickled peppers that came out of Philadelphia. So about once a week, we'll be in here, slice the peppers up and do our pickling juices.
The main hoagie is the Italian special. It comes with a pork called Capicola.
Man, they're the best. They beat everybody else, any sub I've ever had.
But there are several varieties of hoagies to choose from.
They're very good. There's no better sandwich shop in Tulsa. Yeah, these are the best.
In fact, we ran into two of the menu namesakes during our visit.
Dr. CLYDE and I come in here every Thursday. We've been doing this for like 5 years. You hang around Jay's long enough, you might get a sandwich that's named after you.
Or a Steed's tuna fish hoagie.
I loved it. It was fantastic. Best tuna fish in Tulsa, or maybe anywhere.
Or a Dr. CLYDE with turkey and roast beef. The two say Jay's is perfection.
He's a hoagie expert. I think the thing that makes him best is the presence of Jay, the Jay experience.
Part of that experience is being around a fun bunch of folks, customers and crew.
It is. It's a very relaxing place, and all the guys that work here, everyone's so fun.
What you love is the people coming and going, and you become family almost.
Pick up a Jay's Original Hoagie for lunch, Monday through Saturday, 11 to 3.
Come on down to Jay's. You'll get a good hoagie.
7 days without it makes 1 week.
I'm Jason GRUBBS for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, travelok.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.